Step into the sacred realm of divine dance. This sensual dance practice is not just a movement practice, but a way of moving and dancing through life. Curated by me, the visionary Tantric artist Shaft Natalya. In this transformative journey, witness a harmonious interplay of the divine masculine and feminine energies. This is more than just a movement practice, it's a pathway for women to get out of their heads and into their bodies, and for men to step into their masculine power. So join us at the Tantra Studio on Monday, 7 till 9 p.m. and experience a divine dance of Shiva and Shakti.